Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. First and foremost, big up Father God, oh yeah. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I make this Caribbean vegetable soup. So in my pot, I have 12 cups of water boiling. I add 12 grains of pimento seeds and 5 cubes of garlic. Here, we're just going to go ahead and peel 2 carrots and dice them. Here, peel 1 turnip. Going to dice it also. Here, me peel 1 sweet potato. Also, I'm going to dice the sweet potato. Now I'm peeling 1 Irish potato and I'm peeling it and dice it also. Now I'm peeling a Chocho and I'm peeling it and dice it also. Here me have 2 pounds of pumpkin. Just going to cut out the mega part of it. I'm going to cook it with the skin because it's vegetable soup I'm cooking. So I'm going to wash it off properly before I add it to the pot. So I'm just dice it up like this. Here, I'm cutting up 2 corn as well. And then here is sweet corn, my people. Here, I'm peeling a cocoa. Just going to dice it as well. Now, put them in a large bowl and wash them twice. So I'm just going to drain them off and add them to the pot now. So I'm going to add them to the pot and go and make the dumplings. Give it a stir. Cover. So here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1/3 cup of cornmeal and pinch of salt. Here we have some room temperature water. I'm just going to add the water as I need it to form the dough for the dumplings. So I add the water little by little, not too much one time because you don't want the dough to be sticky. So this is how the dough look. Just going to pinch off this and roll one of the dumplings. So you just want to rotate it in your hand just like this. Then you roll it in your palm and then you flat it out with your hand. The dumpling is supposed to look like this. Going to show you one more. So you take your time and rotate it in your hand again, then you flat it out. Just like that, you have some perfectly shaped dumplings, my people. Look at that. Look at these, nice and pretty. Now I'm going to add them to the pot. Now I'm going to give it a stir. Now I'm going to cover the pot for 15 minutes. Make it come to a fully boil. So after 15 minutes, this is how it look. Here I'm add some pumpkin noodle. Give it a stir. You just want to make sure none of the dumpling don't stick. Here add fresh thyme, add scallions, one Scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'm going to cover it up for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add some frozen spinach, just like that. Give it a stir. Make sure nothing don't stick. Look how nice this is, my people. So now I'm going to cover it up for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is how the soup look. Rich and nice. Give it a stir. Look at this, my people. So you want to make some of the food mash out in the soup so the soup get that body, okay? If you don't allow the food to cook properly, the soup is going to be watery and it don't get the body, okay? So now I'm going to serve me a bowl. See how beautiful this is? You don't need no meat in this soup, my people. This is straight vegetable soup. Get some of the corn and dumplings. Look at this. Nice and wonderful, my people. Go for a taste test. Never miss. Peace.